Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this little guy here in Metal Mayhem.
Alright, so the question today is, what is pop art?
Alright, let's roll through the colors.
Interactive, titanium white. Interactive, blue black.
So pop art was the reaction against abstract expressionism that was popular in the mid-50s. And so when the new up and coming generation came out, they were just like, we're tired of this, let's try something new. So one of the key artists was Andy Warhol, and he was an illustrator for magazines, so he's always drawing, all these kind of fun little illustrations for magazine advertising. And so he developed into doing like the soup cans, Marilyn Monroe's silk screening, so he really developed a lot of the key factors of popular commercial advertising converted into art. Another famous artist at the time also was Jasper Johns. He did the famous Target and American flag paintings. And so these artists kind of use the typical commercial nationalistic symbols that were traditionally just considered kind of, flag or whatever, and he made them into artwork and challenged the concept of art itself in the time frame of the 60s.
Alright, we just finished the paint. Let's take a closer look. So it has this nice blue-black mixed in with the white, so it gives it kind of a gray feel. Just really nice, quick, fast painting. But for this style, it really works well if you work faster, I think, than just working slow. If you work slow, it gets kind of messy and muddy and doesn't look as good. It's very dark. We'll see, maybe people won't like it because it's too dark, but I think it'll look a lot better once we add the varnish. It'll really brighten up a lot of those colors. If you want, give me a like. That'd be great. I like it. And if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.